Hi, this is Allie with U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. We're here at the Mecum Car Auction, and we are here with
Rodney.
Rodney, please tell us a little bit about this beautiful car.
It's a 57 Nomad. We recently restored it. It's got a modern LS3 motor, transmission, drivetrain, I'm going to get his name wrong, I always do. JW Garage out of Wisconsin built the frame for it.
How long did it take to restore it?
It took us about a year and a half to do it.
All right. Can you tell us about the paint?
It is a, Sherwin-Williams black cherry paint.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Can you tell us a little about the interior?
The interior was done by a fellow in Ontario, Ohio. Dones is his name. He custom did the interior for us. I didn't have a whole lot to do with, so I don't know. I mean,
and what makes this car unique?
It's very unique because it's the last year that they made the 57 Nomad. It's also the fewest they made of the Nomads. They made more in 56 and 55, 57. They kind of, I don't know why they didn't, the production was down, but it was.
Okay, and what's your favorite part of the car?
I just like the whole thing. It's just,
it is a
stunning
car. It is a beautiful car. Yeah. And so, last question I have to ask: when do we get the keys?
No. It's not mine to give away. So.
And how many horsepower is in the car?
It's 430 horse.
Okay. And is this your car or?
No, it's a company car. I work for Main Street Collision out of Marion, Ohio. We do restoration work. We also do regular collision work also. So.
Okay. All right.
But we do a lot of this.
Okay, and why are you getting rid of the car?
It's a business.
It's the business. Okay.
Need to turn the car.
Has it won anything? Any trophies?
It really hasn't been out that much. We just got it done, and it's just trying to test the market, see how well it'll do today.
And so obviously this car is stunning. How can other people get their car in this condition?
Well, you can get hold of us at Main Street Collision at yahoo.com. or 740-383-1898 is our phone number.